Hello guys, welcome back. Today's topic, Docker versus Kubernetes. Docker and Kubernetes are both essential tools in the world of containerization, but they serve different purposes and operate at different levels of the container stack. Here is a breakdown of the key differences. Docker. Purpose. Docker is a containerization platform that allows you to package applications and their dependencies into containers. These containers can run consistently across various environments. Functionality. It simplifies the process of creating, deploying, and running applications by using containers. Docker provides a runtime environment called Docker Engine to build and run containers. Use case. Ideal for developers to create and test applications in isolated environments. It ensures that applications run the same way regardless of where they are deployed. Kubernetes. Purpose. Kubernetes is a container orchestration platform designed to manage and scale containerized applications across multiple servers. Functionality. It automates the deployment, scaling, and operation of application containers. Kubernetes handles tasks like load balancing, scaling, and self-healing of containers. Use case. Suitable for managing large-scale complex applications that require high availability and scalability. It helps in coordinating multiple containers across different environments. Key differences. Scope. Docker focuses on containerization, where Kubernetes focuses on orchestration. Complexity. Docker is simpler and easier to get started with, whereas Kubernetes has a steeper learning curve due to its comprehensive features for managing containers at scale. Integration. Docker can be used independently, but Kubernetes often uses Docker or other container runtimes to run the containers it orchestrates. In summary, Docker is great for creating and running containers, while Kubernetes excels at managing and orchestrating those containers in a production environment. If you have any doubts, feel free to ask in comments section. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.